Hello, and thanks so much for tuning in to The Jamie Show. New episodes every Wednesday. Well, I'm here to share with you a tip, and it is do not stack the dishes. Wait, what? What am I talking about? Okay, hold on. Let me back up. Today on the show, I'd love to share with you two of my mom's best cleaning tips. They're things that she used and she passed them on to me, and now I'd like to pass them on to you. And number one is when you're clearing the table after a meal, kitchen table, dining room table, patio, deck, wherever you find yourself, do not stack the dirty dishes. Got it? Don't stack the dirty dishes. Why? Well, of course, as you might imagine, and it's one of those, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of this? When you stack the dishes, then now the bottom of the dish is going to touch the top of the dirty dish. Now you've dirtied the top and the bottom of every single dish. So it's extra rinse time if you're putting them in the dishwasher, or it's extra washing time if you are hand washing them. And I want you to get that time back. So no more stacking the dishes. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but just see the next time, right? A little salad dressing, a little red marinara sauce, and all of a sudden you are scrubbing. So do not stack the dirty dishes. Mom's tip number one, and tip number two, Mom always wore a cleaning apron. Now, is there a special cleaning apron or is it just a kitchen apron? It was just a kitchen apron, but it had pockets. So this bright yellow, it had, I think, like daisies. I guess they were daisies. The white one with the yellow center? Yeah, daisies. So the yellow apron had daisies on it and it had pockets. So first of all, it was like the full apron. So it had that top up part. So of course that helped to keep her clean as she was cleaning in case any cleaning solution splattered and things like that. So that was her first reason. But secondly, those pockets were fantastic for keeping all of her stuff right at her fingertips. Because I don't know about you, but as I am working, guaranteed I'm going to put down the duster, I'm going to lose the rag, I'm going to look for my spray. And then so many times we're walking around with our phone because maybe while you're cleaning, you're listening to my podcast, which is available at jamienovak.com. So you've got your phone and your earbuds and all kinds of stuff is happening, and you've got all these supplies and they're everywhere. So we can prevent that from happening by wearing a cleaning apron. So head to your collection, maybe your linen closet or your kitchen drawer where you have some aprons, pick one out, make sure it has pockets, and then make that your cleaning apron going forward. You can also try this tip if you're wrapping gifts around the holiday season, because that's where I put my tape and things like that, because I'm always misplacing that as well. So you can use this idea for so many things. Gardening also comes to mind, and wear that little gardening apron. So if you've got some aprons that have been cluttering up a junk drawer, now may just be the time to bring them out and start using them for all different purposes, including a little cleaning. So I can't wait to hear what you think of my ideas, which are actually my mom's ideas, and I'm so glad to share them with you today. And I can't wait to hear if you have a cleaning tip that's been passed down. Those are sometimes the best. So comment with an idea if you have one to share, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Head over to jamienovak.com for more ideas, the podcast, the toss of the day, and more information about Keep This, Toss That, my newest book. Thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me every Wednesday. Another new show coming up next Wednesday. Until then, I hope you have a clean week. Take good care.